Hello, have you ever seen metal particles like this stuck to the friction surface of the braking pads? During normal braking, the discs usually release metal particles that turn into dust from braking temperature. But if the disc is extremely warm, these particles could be too large and in extreme humidity could weld into the pad's friction material. If the disc is in good condition, this won't affect braking but could cause extremely unpleasant noises. If we detect noises and see this happening in the pad, we should replace the pads and check the disc in case they also need replacement. For more videos about warranties, subscribe to our YouTube channel.